Hi and welcome to my channel, Music Video Virgin. I grew up in the 80s and 90s, but we didn't have MTV and I never watched any music videos. So now I'm watching them, but I'm only watching the ones that you suggest. So drop some in the comments below. Today we have the suggestion of TLC's Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls. I like this song. I'm not a huge fan, but the song is pretty. I remember it from growing up and I'll be curious to see what the music video is. Like, is he doing a drug deal or something? And then what the heck? He gets shot and oh my gosh. I was not expecting that, people. Did you know that was coming? Is this your first time watching this music video too? What the heck? About relationships, like boyfriend-girlfriend relationships. What is happening?
Little precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face.
I'm clearly still very disturbed about that child getting shot and the heart of that mother who's just like broken to pieces now. And now I'm understanding the song a little bit more. It's not just about love relationships, but like boyfriend, girlfriend, but love in general, but also like don't go chasing waterfalls. Like I'm not really sure. I'm gonna shut up.
Is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters tucked into his mind. No rest and pleasure in me.
But also, I want to say these women are pretty cool dancers and they have a very cool look to them and their voices are very beautiful. Very, very, very. Oh. Okay, that part was very cool with them as the water and them talking about don't go chasing waterfalls, but listen to the rivers and stuff. Yeah, that's spot on. I think we still need to do that in life, right, people? Right, ladies?
I'm coming for then I drink some now what I give it away. Is it because my life is in shades? Yeah, I bring up and fade away. Celebrate the for the 70s. And like this promise is true, won't leave my beacon ending. The many chances I believe would bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional.
Oh my gosh, I totally forgot about that trend of wearing the like football thing underneath your eye. I totally forgot that was a trend in the 90s. Oh, is that coming back? Oh my gosh, is there commentary about this? Have they done skits about this? Like, totally forgot about that. The only time I ever wore that was when I was in powder puff football, and it was very fun.
Tears from my eyes, no one only cries. My only waiting home is for the hope who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's so able to aim into your own vein? What a shame you shoot and aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and they say it's time for falling rain and grime. I think the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me. Don't go.
Ooh, that part gave me chills. Believe in yourself. Yeah, girl, that's right. Ooh, I really like that. Yeah, this is quite good. And the beat, you just like want to dance to it.
Chasing waterfalls, listening to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls, listening to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. I am still thrown by that kid getting shot. Like, that was out of left field for me and just was a shocker. Wow, this video is very deep. Not just because it's about waterfalls. Punny, right? Okay. So TLC the song is called Waterfalls. Don't go chasing waterfalls. I did not know that. Okay, I learn something new every day. So TLC's Waterfalls, wow, this video was moving and deep and beautiful, and their song is beautiful and their voices are beautiful. So yeah, I'm giving this a 9.1 on the Molly scale rating. Thank you for the recommendation, and drop some more in the comments below. This is Molly, your music video virgin. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Peace out. And don't go chasing waterfalls, people. Listen to the rivers. Listen to the rivers.